Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rippers Gaming YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to host your very own TeamSpeak 3 server on Ubuntu. TeamSpeak is a powerful communication platform that allows you to create your own private voice chat server. Perfect for gaming, online meetings, or just hanging out with friends. Whether you're a gamer looking to create a dedicated server for your guild or a business professional wanting to enhance your team's collaboration, hosting a TeamSpeak 3 server on Ubuntu is the way to go. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through the entire process, from setting up your Ubuntu environment to configuring the server settings and connecting to your new server. Even if your new server, hosting, or Ubuntu, don't worry, I'll explain everything in detail, making it easy for you to follow along. By the end of this video, you'll have your very own TeamSpeak 3 server up and running, ready to connect with friends, teammates, or colleagues. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it and start hosting our TeamSpeak 3 server. On Ubuntu, here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to host a TeamSpeak 3 server on Ubuntu. Step 1. Update system packages. First, let's update the system packages to ensure you have the latest software versions. Open a terminal and run the following command. Step 2. Install dependencies. TeamSpeak 3 server requires some dependencies to run. Install them by running the following command. Step 3. Download TeamSpeak 3 server. Create a new directory where you want to store the TeamSpeak 3 server files. In this example, we'll use the home directory. Run the following commands to create the directory and navigate to it. Next, download the TeamSpeak 3 server package using wget. Note, make sure to check for the latest release on the TeamSpeak website. Step 4. Extract the package. Extract the downloaded package using the do-tart command. Step 5. Accept the license agreement. Navigate to the extracted TeamSpeak server directory. To accept the license agreement, run the following command. Step 6. Start the TeamSpeak 3 server. Now, you can start the TeamSpeak 3 server. Run the following command. The server will start running in the foreground. Step 8. Connect to the server. To connect to your TeamSpeak 3 server, download the TeamSpeak client from the official website. Open the client and enter your server's IP address, along with the port number and the administrative privilege key you generated earlier. Congratulations! You have successfully hosted a TeamSpeak 3 server on Ubuntu. You can now invite friends and users to connect to your server using the provided IP address and port number. Remember to keep your server up to date by regularly checking for new releases on the TeamSpeak website and updating the server accordingly. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from me. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments section below. I love hearing from you, and I'm always looking for new ideas. And finally, if you want to stay connected and see what I'm up to outside of YouTube, you can follow me on social media. I'll leave all the links in the description box. Thank you again for your support. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Until next time, take care and see you in the next video.